How to check app permissions on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then scroll down the main list to find and tap on Cam Scanner. Now, look for the option Photos and change the settings from None to Full Access. A pop-up will appear and tap on Allow Full Access. Now, turn on the camera toggle. After that, tap on Notifications to turn on the Allow Notifications toggle. This way, you get more control over your device. Following these steps, you can easily check app permissions on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.